Assalamualaikum, hope all of you are well, and today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, which is why so many people are pride about English language and why we should overcome from our pride and from our scaredness of learning English language. Because of whenever you will be able to read up your scare of English language, read up your anxieties about English language, you are going to gain a confidence about English language, and confidence can boost your learning ability. Confidence can boost your comprehension about English language. So I would say it's very crucial to read up your fear and read up your panic about English language. The more you become scared about English language, the more you lose your hope to learning English language. That will continuously demotivate of yourselves. So what you can do if you want to overcome from your fear of English, my recommendation is this is an international language, and this is foreign countries' language that you haven't get enough chances to learn that language like a native. The people surrounding yourselves, there is no one communicating each other using this language. You are going to learn that language by yourself. So you have to take it easy that you will make lots of mistakes. You have to take it easy about it. But if you think I will learn that language without making any kind of mistakes, there is no opportunity for you. You need to think about that mistakes is a process of learning a new language. While you're making mistakes, there is an opportunity to fix this problem. If you don't mistakes, you are already fluent in a language, so you don't need to learn about it, But whenever you're making mistakes, there is a chance to fix it and become advanced of that language, So I would say, make enough mistakes, try to fix this problem, and enjoy the process instead of embarrassing, feeling shy, and disappointed of yourselves, So never ever embarrassed, never ever try to be so hard of yourselves. Instead of that, enjoy the process, make enough mistakes, try to fix all of kind of problems. And that is the opportunity. And I hope you will be advancing your English language. So thank you very much. Hope you find something helpful through this video. If you find something helpful through this video, please consider to giving me a follow for more updates super fast. Get more update super fast. Thank you very much, everyone.